Remember, when you do a bunker install, it's very important that you get the foundation leveled. And if you're going to have a drain, leveled and pitched, for that drain. Here's an example of that. We're doing an install here for a undisclosed location, and you see how far we're going down into the earth there to level it out. Now this is perfectly leveled, horizontally, vertically, and you can see the depth there from the foundation of the home, and they're extending out here to install a bunker. And then we're gonna put earth on top of that, so altogether it'll probably be about 15 to 16 feet total. Contact us for consulting on your bunkers, or visit us at ambertracks.com.